Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this fridge freezer look using Marble Effect DC Fix. So let's get right into the video. So before we get into the video, you guys know what to do. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe button and comment down below, guys. Thank you. If you want to buy the products in this video, everything will be down in the description box below. All you need to do is click on the link and it will take you to the products that I purchased for this video. So I picked up 4 DC Fix rolls from B&Q. If you're from the UK, you'll know what the B&Q is, a hardware store where you can pick up all different hardware things, tools and stuff. So I picked about 4 different black ones, different designs, different styles. But for this project, I'll be using the Marble Effect, and I think it really stood out for me, and it went well with the fridge, and I really liked the pattern. When I first started this project, I actually used the black matte DC Fix roll, and I didn't like the way it went on the fridge. If you can see on the left on the wall, that's the actual piece that I took off the fridge. I didn't really like the way it looked, so I decided to go with the marble, and I think I made the right choice. Alright, so I'm gonna cut about I'm just gonna do this and just cut it like this. Cut. Small. Using the DC Fix, it wasn't as easy as I wanted it to be. I've also used this for my windows, not this actual color, but I've used like a more transparent color, and it was much easier to do on the windows. I felt like it was quite hard to do on the fridge. I had to move it around multiple times. It just did not work. Like, I was here all day, guys. All day. I was like, nope, not today. So I'm just gonna Can you see what I'm doing? Cutting. Right, I'm just gonna cut this top bit here. This is probably not even proper straight, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I've literally just cut the top bit here. This is a little piece that can just chuck away. But I don't know if this is really straight, because I remember trying to cut this. It had lots of air bubbles in it, and it was quite annoying, and I had to really try my best to take the air bubbles out. So just a heads up, just to let you know that when you are putting this on, try to get the air bubbles out as much as you can, because it will just spoil everything. Yeah. Also, if you're going to do this project, do not use a card, because the card wasn't even doing much for me. Buy the DC Fix. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a little scraper thing. Yeah, so you need to buy that with the DC Fix film. That will actually help you to achieve a more better quality look than what I did. But I think I did a really good job, considering I was only using a credit card or little card. You can use a little pin to get the air bubbles out, but I decided not to use a pin and just leave it the way it is. But just a quick tip.
Where there is smoke, there is fire.
you know what? I just want to take everything off now. What is going on with this food today, yeah? But it's just like not watching today. It's really dark. Too bad, but you can still see the air bubbles in here. Let me just bend this down a bit so you can see, like, so you see I'm trying to get these bubbles out. But yeah, Barry's annoying here. There's still bubbles here. It's not as bad. There's a bit of air bubble here, which I want to get. I want that to come out. I don't like it. Once I'm happy with it, I'm not happy with it right now. what I mean? I think that's the best I can do, guys. Okay. Oops. That's the look. Now to do the sides. Really, I wanted to bring it more down because I kind of made this high a bit, which I didn't really want. What I might do is I might have to just fix this bottom bit here. I can take the whole thing off and start over again, but that might take too long. That's what I've done. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've managed to take the top bit off here to make sure it's really nice and straight. Now I'm going to do the bottom bit here, alright, off the camera because my battery's about to die, guys. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to do the sides of the fridge. I probably will. But oh yeah, also I'm going to do the chest freezer as well using the same marble effect. So yeah, let's just see how it goes, alright? Okay. So these are the sides. This bit is not as great as I wanted it to be, but yeah, so that's the side bit. I need to do the other side now, guys. I need to do this side here. That's the side I need to do right now.
Where there is smoke, there is fire.
So I'm going to try and do that side. And voila, the project is complete. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.